For example, we likely to use the which we can use the multiple multiplication table, right? So we will use. So now we will do that. I first in range maybe. Now we maybe will give 1 to 10, and then we print. We just print. Okay, do the multiplication table first, right? So we do that I plus. So we do that 1 multiply the I here. Sorry. Okay, use the comma. Yeah, and then will equal 1 multiply I here, then print 992. Yeah, we will do the table. Okay, then okay, we will see. We want to make it use the END here, right? Just like we talked. Yeah, just like that way. And of course, remember we do that format. So then we do that, give the 2D. Yeah, and END here. Okay. And of course, the option should be smaller, and otherwise it would totally different. Yeah, it is for 1, right? Okay, I think the spaces should be larger. Okay, spaces should be larger, right? Format the result here. Spaces is larger. One more time. Okay, seems better. Okay, now we will use the next loop. So we will use the out loop. Right here, we use the J here in range 1 to 10. It actually to 9, right? We put this part tab, shorten, right? Shorten spaces. And then we print each one. We print line. And in order to make it change, it becomes J here, right? J here. Okay, one more time. Yep, it's just like what we done last time, right? And we have to, we want to upside down. First it should be I, and the other one should be J. Then it totally like what we want, right? But actually I want it totally different. Now I want the number table should start from 9. So actually we can do what we do. Range can be just like this, and -1. Yeah. 10 to 1 and -1. Actually, we started from 9 to 0. Yeah, 9 to 0. And the steps is -1, right? So we will get the result, what we want. Yeah, from 9, right? And the sequence just like this. And now I will do something very interesting, especially you can pay attention. So we will give the conditions just like here. If the I equal 2 or 3, or maybe 2 or 5, then we continue. Okay, try what's the differences. It would be very interesting, right? Here you can see actually the 2 and the 5 will be skipped here, right? 2 or 5 will be skipped here. And this is for I, and if you want to, the result is J, so we can do that. If J equal 2 or J equal 5, So we can see what's the differences. Yeah, it will skip. We just skip print the space here, right? And we can know what's wrong. So maybe sometimes I will let you see what do we want. So actually we can do another cases. For example, if we want the 20, 20. Okay, you can see what's going on. Oh, you totally have some problem here, right? 20. Okay. Okay, it's from 20. So actually we can start. This is not, we can change something and you can see what's the differences. Yeah, it's J equal 2 or 5 will continue. And then I can also say that if okay, we print the original version here. Yeah, we will skip the 2 and 5, right? And now I will show how to make it break. So continue, and if sorry, if J, no, I want I equal 10, maybe 12, that we break. Otherwise we print, right? So you can see what's the differences now. We can see it's starting from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then you can see the 2 and the 5 was skip. Oh, it seems like similar, right? So we don't really do something different. So we'll try one more time, try. So in that, because it's only 1 to 10, right? Yeah, so I think I want to change for I equal 2 or I equal 5. Then when J equal 12, then break. So what's the differences? Okay, so we can see the break. 12 will be break, right? And we started from 1 to 9 and the 12 will be break. Yeah, just this one be break. Yeah. So also we can do any compositions of the break and the continue. So maybe because J here will not break, so I wanted J here. Maybe we can do that. If J equal 12, then break. Or we can put that after the print, right? Yeah, and see what's the differences. Put here, see what's the differences. Whoa, something different, right? Because the 2 and 5 were totally gone, right? And in the status, something in 12 will be just skipped here. So it's interesting. So sometimes we can see the break and continue can make different results. So I want you to try in what kind of situation, if you see the result, I mean, in the exam, I will show you a table and you can find the rules or the patterns when we use this break, when we use the continue and make the result just directly the same. But I don't want it to complicate, so we just make it to from 9 to 1 is more, it would be more easier. So I want it to break until 5 maybe. Go one more time. So that what we'll see is more obviously clear. It's not too much. So maybe I will provide it this, and I want you to do some break or continue to make sure what kind of result you can do, right? Yeah, what kind of result you can do, right? And you have to know which one control which loop, which number, which variable control which number, okay? So now it's your turn. Let's take practice.